Welcome to the Medallion Class Experience. I'm Spencer at Willie Awesome Adventures, and today we're going to take you on a tour of the wheelchair accessible balcony cabin right here on the beautiful Sky Princess. Let's check out some of the amenities and features that this beautiful accessible room offers. Join me till the end, and we will explore my take of this luxurious room on this beautiful ship. From highlighting its best features to sharing some valuable tips, I'll show you why this could be the best room for you. All right, guys, so you may be wondering, what do I think about this Princess Cruises Sky Princess cabin? There's a couple little things that I did like and maybe a couple things that I didn't like, maybe some recommendations when you plan your trip for this beautiful ship. Some of the things I really did like was the room. We had access to total of four beds. These two twin beds right over here in the corner, they can be pushed together or arranged independently as two twin beds, which is the configuration that we currently have. Above here, one of the great features is the accessible bunk beds over here. We have two bunk beds, so if you're traveling with a family of four, this wheelchair accessible room can accommodate four passengers. Some of the things I did not like over here, there was only two electrical outlets. There were no electrical outlets available next to the bed. As somebody that travels with a lot of electronics, I do travel. I need my Hoyer lift, which is battery powered, my rechargeable wheelchair. I do carry several chargers. Everybody has their cell phones, laptops, other electronic devices they're going to want to recharge. So having only two electrical outlets really is a shortcoming of this room. And especially the location where they're placed, it's nice to have something that's maybe more bedside and easier to access. Everybody needs their phone with them. They use it as their alarm. They use it as their communication device. So it would be really nice if it did have some convenient locations for charging your phone and everything next to the bed. One of the tips I do recommend, especially on a room that's only going to have two charging ports right here, is a non-surge protector electrical outlet. This particular plug down here, it's hooked up to an extension cord. I'm able to plug multiple devices into it, charge them simultaneously. You do, when ordering something like this, for instance, I purchased mine on Amazon. It does have to be cruise rated, and typically they'll have a designation for being cruise rated, and you do want to make sure you purchase one of those. Surge protectors do interfere with the cruise ship's electrical systems, so that's something you do want to be mindful of. If you do end up packing one of those, it's likely to get confiscated upon embarking on the ship. This room was definitely very configurable. One of those tables in the corner right there was fixed, so we were unable to relocate that to push this bed flush up against the wall. But this particular nightstand right here to my left was movable, so we were able to take that from the center, rearrange the room accordingly so that I have full access and turnaround space for my power wheelchair. Right here, we do have a Hoyer lift. This particular Hoyer lift is my own that I travel with. It is collapsible. For anybody that's traveling with a Hoyer lift, or need somebody to maybe rent one of those out, by booking your trip with me, we can go ahead and arrange your needs with a Hoyer lift, a shower wheelchair, maybe even an adjustable hospital bed. Is possible. Like I said, this particular lift is my own, but we can arrange some of those rentals for you and guide you through the process of booking your wheelchair accessible vacation. Moving back to the bathroom, shower wheelchair, I do bring my own Tilton Space shower wheelchair, but we can also arrange shower wheelchairs to be delivered and provided for you in the cabin. There is a fold down bench in there, grab bars on both sides of the toilet bowl, insulated pipes under the sink for those manual wheelchair users and stuff like that. Many great other features, but when you're looking to book your next wheelchair accessible vacation, please give me a call. My name is Spencer. I am a travel agent with Expedia Cruises. I run my YouTube channel here at Willie Awesome Adventures, and I, thank you for joining us on this room tour video. And if you have any other further questions or would like to purchase or plan your next vacation, feel free to reach out to me in the comments, the description below. I have my email address and phone number, and you can reach out to me directly to help plan your next vacation. Look forward to seeing you soon and on the next Willie Awesome Adventures. Take care. We'll take